Welcome to our comprehensive guide on nutmeg health benefits. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of nutmeg, a versatile spice that holds a treasure trove of culinary delights and medicinal properties. Nutmeg, scientifically known as Myristica fragrans, is a seed found within the fruit of the nutmeg tree, native to Indonesia. This aromatic spice has been revered for centuries, not only for its distinctive flavor but also for its remarkable health benefits. Nutmeg isn't just a kitchen staple, it's a cornerstone of both culinary and medicinal traditions around the world. From enhancing the flavor of savory and sweet dishes to its use in traditional medicine, nutmeg's versatility knows no bounds. Whether it's adding a pinch of nutmeg to your morning coffee or harnessing its therapeutic properties in herbal remedies, nutmeg has secured its place as a beloved ingredient in kitchens and apothecaries alike. Join us as we uncover the myriad health benefits that nutmeg has to offer and discover how this humble spice can revolutionize your culinary creations and enhance your well-being. Let's embark on this flavorful journey together. Before we start this journey, and if you want to begin or improve your kitchen skills, check our partners' offers for culinary holidays and travels, which can be found in the description box. The nutritional profile of nutmeg boasts an impressive array of essential vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial compounds. This spice is notably rich in micronutrients such as manganese, copper, and magnesium, as well as vitamins B6 and C. Additionally, nutmeg contains significant amounts of dietary fiber and various phytochemicals, including terpenoids compounds. These nutrients play crucial roles in supporting various bodily functions and promoting overall health. For instance, manganese contributes to bone health, energy metabolism, and antioxidant defenses, while copper is essential for iron metabolism, connective tissue formation, and the functioning of enzymes involved in antioxidant processes. Magnesium, another prominent nutrient in nutmeg, is vital for muscle and nerve function, blood sugar regulation, and bone health. Moreover, vitamins B6 and C found in nutmeg are integral to immune function, energy metabolism, and collagen synthesis. The dietary fiber content in nutmeg supports digestive health by promoting regularity, preventing constipation, and nourishing beneficial gut bacteria. Additionally, the phytochemicals present in nutmeg, such as myristicin and eugenol, exhibit antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties, contributing to its overall health-promoting effects. Nutmeg offers a plethora of health benefits, making it a valuable addition to any diet. Nutmeg is renowned for its ability to alleviate various digestive issues, including indigestion and bloating. Its carminative properties help to soothe the digestive tract, easing discomfort and promoting smoother digestion. Additionally, nutmeg promotes the growth of healthy gut flora, contributing to overall digestive wellness. Rich in bioactive compounds like myristicin and eugenol, nutmeg exhibits potent anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help to reduce inflammation throughout the body, potentially offering relief for conditions such as arthritis and other inflammatory disorders. Studies suggest that nutmeg may play a role in enhancing cognitive function and supporting overall brain health. Certain compounds found in nutmeg have been shown to exert neuroprotective effects, potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases and age-related cognitive decline. Nutmeg is prized for its ability to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Its natural sedative properties help to calm the mind and body, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. Incorporating nutmeg into your bedtime routine may lead to a more restful and rejuvenating sleep experience. Nutmeg possesses antibacterial properties that can contribute to oral hygiene. These properties help to combat harmful bacteria in the mouth, reducing the risk of dental issues such as cavities and gum disease. Additionally, nutmeg may offer benefits for gum health, helping to maintain healthy gums and prevent oral infections. Incorporating nutmeg into your diet can not only enhance the flavor of your favorite dishes but also provide a multitude of health benefits. Whether it's supporting digestive health, reducing inflammation, boosting brain function, promoting better sleep, or improving oral hygiene, nutmeg proves to be a versatile spice with remarkable potential for overall well-being. Nutmeg's warm, aromatic flavor makes it a versatile spice that can enhance a wide range of dishes and beverages. From savory to sweet, nutmeg pairs well with a variety of ingredients. It can be grated or ground and sprinkled over dishes like soups, stews, pasta sauces, and roasted vegetables to add depth and complexity. Additionally, nutmeg can be incorporated into desserts such as pies, custards, cookies, and cakes, imparting a rich, spicy flavor. Recipe ideas featuring nutmeg include classics like pumpkin pie, eggnog, and spiced apple cider, where nutmeg plays a starring role, infusing the dish with its distinctive taste and aroma. In addition to its culinary uses, nutmeg can also be utilized in herbal remedies to harness its therapeutic properties. One popular method is making nutmeg tea, which involves steeping ground nutmeg in hot water to extract its medicinal compounds. Nutmeg tea is believed to offer a range of health benefits, including promoting digestion, soothing upset stomachs, and aiding relaxation. Additionally, nutmeg can be incorporated into natural remedies such as poultices or topical preparations for relieving muscle aches, joint pain, and minor skin irritations. By incorporating nutmeg into herbal remedies, you can take advantage of its healing properties in a holistic and natural way. Whether you're spicing up your favorite dishes or exploring the world of herbal remedies, nutmeg offers endless possibilities for incorporating flavor and promoting health. Experiment with different culinary creations and herbal concoctions to discover the many ways nutmeg can enhance your diet and well-being. While nutmeg offers a myriad of health benefits when consumed in moderation, it's essential to be mindful of safe consumption levels to avoid potential side effects. When used in culinary dishes and herbal remedies, nutmeg is generally considered safe for most people. However, it's crucial to exercise moderation and avoid consuming excessive amounts of nutmeg, as doing so may lead to adverse effects. The recommended safe dosage of nutmeg is typically up to 1 to 2 teaspoons per day for culinary purposes. For herbal remedies, it's advisable to follow recommended recipes and consult with a healthcare professional if unsure about appropriate dosages. By adhering to safe consumption levels, you can enjoy the benefits of nutmeg without risking negative health outcomes. Consuming large quantities of nutmeg, especially in concentrated forms, can potentially lead to adverse side effects. One of the most commonly reported side effects of excessive nutmeg consumption is nutmeg poisoning, also known as nutmeg toxicity or myristicin poisoning. Symptoms of nutmeg poisoning may include nausea, vomiting, dizziness, rapid heartbeat, hallucinations, and even seizures in severe cases. Additionally, excessive nutmeg consumption has been associated with potential liver and kidney damage. It's important to be aware of these risks and to avoid consuming nutmeg in excessive amounts to prevent adverse reactions. Throughout this comprehensive guide, we've explored the numerous health benefits that nutmeg has to offer. From supporting digestive health and reducing inflammation to promoting brain function, aiding sleep, and enhancing oral health, nutmeg proves to be a versatile spice with a wide range of therapeutic properties. Its rich nutritional profile, including essential vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds, contributes to its overall health-promoting effects. I encourage you to consider incorporating nutmeg into your culinary creations and herbal remedies to reap its many health benefits. Whether you're adding a sprinkle of nutmeg to your morning oatmeal, sipping on a soothing cup of nutmeg tea, or experimenting with new recipes featuring this aromatic spice, incorporating nutmeg into your diet can enhance both the flavor and nutritional value of your meals. However, it's important to consume nutmeg in moderation and to be mindful of safe consumption levels to avoid potential side effects. By incorporating nutmeg into your diet in moderation, you can harness its full potential for overall well-being and enjoy its delicious flavor while supporting your health. So, why not spice up your life with nutmeg today?